So once you opened your gray now, you've gotten your details, which is your US, UK, and Europe. Let's assume we want to link our pounds account to PayPal now. Then you click this place. It will take you to all of this, your details. You see yours, but I'll block this. So now go to your PayPal. Go to your PayPal. Go to this account, the wallet sign where there is account. Click it. Go to link card. This one is already linked, though it's a new account, but it's already linked. Go to add new. Click on bank accounts. Now for UK, the bank they use is Clear Junction. It's not there. If you are using for US, if you see yours, just if you don't, enter it manually. So they'll tell you to enter your sort code. Enter your own sort code. Okay, they'll tell you to enter your account number. This one is already linked, so I'm just showing us. I'm not linking it again. So you click on link bank accounts. It's already showing me that it's linked already. So it will tell you to accept mandate for you now. Click on accept. Then it will tell you to it will show you a prompt that they've sent some money to your account, that you should confirm it and enter the code. So just go to your gray. Go to your gray. You will see the notification there. Go to the recent transactions. You will see something like this PayPal code. They will send you this 0.01. So go here now. Once you click under recent transaction, once you click this, and then this is the PayPal code. This is the 4-digit code. This 4 numbers that is here. Okay, you have to copy the number, and then you click to accept. Also, there is a button there. You have to click to accept. Copy the number. You might not see it here because this one is linked already. Now go back to, you will see a red button here. There will be a red button here telling you to accept mandate. Click on it, this particular area. Click on it. It will take you to somewhere like this now. Okay, this place that is showing direct debit agreements. Click on it. It will tell you to enter that 4-digit code that you copied. Enter the code, then it will show you accepted. This other status, also click on it too. Then it will show status confirmed, direct debit agreement. Then once you are done with that, go back again. It will still be showing you accept mandate here, even if after linking it. Go back again. Go to link bank and card. Click on it again. Go back to bank. Type the bank name. Clever is not there. Enter it manually. Enter your sort code. Enter your account details. Click on link bank. Once you click it, it will now tell you that your bank is now. It will show you something. Let me just show you. Your sort code. Let's do it again. Now click here. It will now tell you that your bank account is linked. Click done. So that sign accept money that is showing you to no longer be there, and it will show you current. Okay, once you click it, you will see everything like this. So you can now start sending money and receiving money with your PayPal. Don't worry about this gray bank. It's just the label that the owner gave to it. So that's all. If you encounter any question, also drop it in the group. Thank you.